Hey friends, I want to give you a tip on how to make glue that you can put on your fondant that's a lot cheaper than buying the Wilton dab-in glue, or dab-and-hold it's called. And this is $6 for just this container. In a matter of pennies you can make your own. And it's in this jar here, and you can make as much as you want, and it is pennies literally. So watch this and see how to make your own edible glue.
Pour in 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Have the water come to a rapid boil. Then I put in 3/4 teaspoons of Tylose powder, and I mixed it really well with a whisk. Some of the Tylose powder probably won't dissolve. It's hard to get them all to dissolve into the water, but that's okay. Just get as much as you can until the water thickens just a tiny bit, and then it's done. Next, I put it in an airtight glass container. And I did shake my container after I put the lid on, but do not shake your container. I found out that's not a good idea. So as you can see, I'm going to put it on pretty tight, but I'm going to shake it. And yeah, don't shake the container. And there it is. All done. For pennies, you can make your own glue.
So now that this is done, I can put this in my refrigerator overnight and it will firm up, and then I can use it to do my fondant work and to glue my pieces together. The thing is, you have to keep this in the refrigerator because you don't want it to spoil. But it lasts for a very long time, and it is just pennies, and it's so much cheaper than buying it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you watch my next video. Thanks!